Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking the battery pack fits the Quest 3 specs and is fully charged. Once confirmed, power off the headset to prevent shorts and remove any obstructing covers. Next, hold the pack at the rear and align the magnetic clip or integrated strap with the headset spine. Make sure the connector side faces the USB-C port. Route the cable along the left temple area so it won't pull. This early alignment saves time and prevents stress on the connector during the next steps. Once the pack is positioned, you secure the clip or tighten the strap so the pack sits flush without compressing the headset foam. Make sure the weight sits centered on the rear to keep balance. Then route the USB-C cable through the headset strap or cable guides and affix with adhesive clips if supplied. This prevents tugging and wire contact with your face. Plug the USB-C connector into the Quest 3 port with a straight, even motion, feeling for the click to ensure a solid electrical connection. You finish by powering on the Quest 3 and confirming the system recognizes the external battery. Check the battery icon and estimated runtime. Once booted, test tracking, headset balance, and audio while wearing it and moving to verify stability and comfort. If you notice flickering, intermittent power, or loose fit, power down, unplug, and reseat the USB-C connector. Inspect both connector ends for dust or bent pins. Make sure adhesive clips are secure and consider a different strap.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.